Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use value to text function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and the value to text function converts a value, number, text, logical, date and etc. into text format. Okay, so here I have a number, date and time. So let's see the one by one. The first for number, I just simply select it and use the is equal to and enter here value to text and select here the value to text, return a text representations of value. So I select this value to text and select this number and bracket closed and enter. Here you can see the stored as a text, but it's the same number. Okay, and this date as is used the is equal to value to text. Again I select the function and select the date, bracket closed and enter. You can see Excel serial number for that date, so you can convert this serial number into date also. Okay, after that for time you can see I just use here the is equal to and enter here value to text function and select the time, bracket closed and enter. Here you see the same format style, formula style text more exact. Okay, when you use the value to text function for time. Okay, so this is the way you can use the value to text. And here you see I just mentioned here the value to text is a simple, flexible and great for consistency when handling the mixed data in Excel. Okay, so hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.